Love Sol-Ark and Pytes combo.
Love the hands-on and sharing ideas.
It just helps solidify things.
NAZ puts on these events because we want to give an opportunity to our customers, and more specifically our installers, to become familiar with the equipment that we sell and get their hands on the equipment. The training day today consisted of a talk by two manufacturers, Sol-Ark, which makes inverters, and Pytes, which makes batteries.
It's really important for us to have, these face-to-face interactions, hear from the installers.
NAZ actually indeed is one of the earliest distributors for Pytes. NAZ really helped Pytes to improve our products. Our relationship is beyond supplier and customer. It's more like partners.
Then we had a demonstration table where the installers had a chance to connect them and see how they work. And that was for half of the group, and the other half of the group had a little round table with the manufacturers talking about case studies as well as giving feedback on the product.
This industry, it's a small world. It's so important for us to leverage the information that we have and share that with one another. It's a huge benefit for anybody in this industry looking to grow their business.
We put in 20 kilowatt hours on our first system of Pytes batteries, and then we come here and we know that in the future we'll have to add to that system. Now we know when we go to add, we're going to have to pay careful attention to the firmware in each battery, because as the firmware upgrades, we have to make sure the whole system upgrades to make it work together. Otherwise we would have plugged it in, said, man, this stuff doesn't work.
Since we use their products quite a bit, we come up with unique situations where we have specific questions, and obviously asking them is very important to us because, happy customers brings in more customers.
I'm more familiar with the product now. So we don't get to work with any one particular brand of inverter or battery all the time. So anytime we can meet with a bunch of people that either represent the product or use it a lot, we pick up little tips and tricks that help it.
I heard so often today, I'm going to try that on the next project. Or, hey, good to know. I didn't know I could do that. Where it's a game changer where they're like, okay, maybe I can win that project. Maybe I will submit that bid and I will chase after that because, okay, this isn't as hard as I thought it was going to be.
I love the fact that NAZ does the events, love being partners with them, looking forward to learning new things and attending more seminars.